Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students. Now next question is find the degree measure corresponding to the following radian measures. So first question is 11 by 16. So this given radian measure you have to convert to degree measure, correct no? So what is your formula? Degree measure is equal to 180 divided by pi into radian measure. And in question it is given find or use pi is equal to 22 by 7. As now degree measure is equal to 180 divided by pi into what is the radian measure? Radian measure is 11 by 16. Radian measure is 11 by 16. So that is equal to 180 into 11 divided by 22 by 7. So pi is 22 by 7 into 16. Next simplification 180 into 11 into 7. This denominator 22 by 7. I take it to numerator. Then 22 by 7 changes as 7 by 22 into what? 60. This is 60. So next simplification 11 ones are 11 twos are. Next 2 ones are 2 how much here? 2 nines are 18. Next 2 again 245. 2 how much here? 2 eights are. So your answer is that is equal to 45 into 7. Use calculator and get your answer. 7 5s are 35, 3 remainder. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31 divided by is 8 degree. Correct no? This is the 315 divided by 8 degree. Already you know that in degree there should not be fraction, correct no? How to remove this fraction? This fraction means there is some decimal point. The decimal point is what? Minute. So how to convert this degree to minute? So first separate the integer part and the decimal part. So 315 divided by 8. So 315 divided by now 8. 8 how much here? 8 3s are 24. 1 2 3 4. Correct no? So how much it is? 75. Right? 75. So now 8 how much is 75? 8 9s are 72. Remainder is 3. Right? So how we can write that? As this 315 divided by 8 can be written as quotient is 39 degree, that is integer part, plus decimal part can be written as what? 3 divided by 8 degree. 3 divided by 8 degree. Correct no? Yes. Now this degree should be converted. This decimal degree or this fraction. This is integer part. Correct no? That means the whole number. This is the fraction. That fraction should be converted to minute. So how to convert this to minute? You know that. So using, I'll write here, using what it is, 1 degree is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 by 8 degree is equal to 3 by 8 degree is equal to how many minutes? 3 by 8 is equal to how many minutes? So that is equal to, so here 3 by 8 degree into 60 minutes divided by 1 degree. Correct no? Yes. So now degree unit and degree unit cancels. So what is left here? 3 into 60, that is 180 divided by 8 minutes. 180 divided by 8 minutes. So therefore what it is? 3 by 8 degree. 3 by 8 degree, that is equal to how many minutes? 180 divided by 8 minutes. So it is equal to 39 degree plus is what? 180 minute divided by 80 or 180 divided by 80 minutes. So this fraction of degree is converted to minute. So this degree is equal to 180 divided by 8 minutes. Again in a minute we got fraction. So that means in this you should remove you should separate the fraction and the decimal point and the integer part. How to change it? It is again divide. It is 180 divided by 8. 180 divided by 8. So 8 twos are how much here? 16. So 20 remainder. So 8 twos are 16. Correct no? So how much it is? 4 remainder. So how we can write this one? 39 degree. That can be written as 39 degree. 180 divided by 8 minute it is plus 22 minutes plus fraction is what? 4 divided by 8 minutes. Correct no? So in this 180 divided by 8 minutes, in this the integer part is 22 point, it is 4 by 8 minutes. So now this fraction of minute should be converted to what? Second. So how to convert that to second? You know that 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 4 by 8 minutes is equal to how many seconds? So that is equal to 4 by 8 into 60 seconds, this is minute, divided by 1 minute. So this minute and this minute units get cancelled. So now next 4 by 8 divided into 60. 4 6 are 24. 240 divided by 8 seconds. So here 4 by 8 minutes means how much it is? 240 divided by 8 minutes. So this can be written as 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus this 4 by 2 fraction of minutes is converted to second, that is equal to how much here? 240 divided by 8 now seconds. 8 seconds. Again in the seconds there is a fraction. So 240 divided by 8, that is the fraction part. How to remove that fraction part? In degree we need answer in terms of whole numbers. That's why I am removing this fraction. How I am removing this fraction? By dividing. 240 divided by 8. So 8 3s are 24. So 0. So this is 0. This extra 0. Correct now? So this is equal to 39 degree plus 22 minutes plus this fraction is removed and that is equal to what? 30 seconds. Correct no? This together we can write as 39 degree 22 minutes 30 seconds. So what is the degree conversion of 11 by 16? 11 by 16 degree conversion is 39 degree 22 minutes 30 seconds. Don't add 39 plus 22 plus 30. That is wrong because degree, this is different unit. This is minute is different. Second is different. So we can't add this. So this type conversion is important for 2 marks. Again I am repeating here, important. So use formula for degree measurement. Degree measurement is, this is your formula. Next substitute 22 by 7 and simplification will get as this one. 315 divided by 8, it is what? Degree. Already you know that in degree there should not be fraction. There should not be divide. So that means here you should remove this fraction. How to remove this fraction? So divide it. So while dividing whatever quotient, so you should write as quotient, that is the whole number, 39 degree plus the remainder divided by that 8. So 3 divided by 8 degree. So 315 divided by 8 can be separated as whole number divided by fraction. So this fraction first you should remove you should convert to minute. How to convert minute? You know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. You know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 by 8 degree is equal to how many minutes? So that simplification will give us what? 180 minute. 180 divided by 8 minutes. So 3 by 8 degree is equal to what? 180 divided by 8 minutes. So 180 divided by 8 minutes. So now 180 divided by 8 minutes, again in minutes there is a fraction, correct no? So remove that fraction. How to remove that fraction? Divide it. 180 divided by 8, so we will get here quotient and this is the remainder. So the remainder part is like decimal point. So can be written as 22 minute 4 by 8 minutes. Okay, 22 is whole number, 4 by 8 is fraction or decimal in this one. So now again 4 by 8 fraction, correct no? That is minute. So in this there is a second. So how to convert this to second? By using this one. So next here we got fraction. So remove that fraction. So how to remove that fraction in second? So divide it. So we'll get as 30 minutes. Here is whole number we got. So because remainder is 0. That means in this there is no decimal point. So this is your answer. That is 39 degree 22 minutes and 30 seconds. The next question. Minus 4 radian. Find degree measure of this one. So what is our answer? Answer is degree measure is equal to what is our formula? Degree measure is equal to 180 divided by pi into radian measure. 180 divided by pi into radian measure. So now how to find this one? That is equal to is 180 divided by pi into radian measure is how much here? Minus 4. Radian measure is minus 4. So I'll keep minus separate. So plus into minus is minus. Whatever simplification is within this bracket. Minus I kept outside. So this is not applicable to any simplification, that further simplification. That's why I'll keep this minus outside. So now 180 into 4, I took minus, I kept it separate, divided by pi is what? 22 by 7. Pi is 22 by 7. So which is equal to minus should be outside of this bracket. It is 180 into 4, this 22 by 7. So it comes as 7 divided by 22. 7 divided by 22. Now simplification. 2 2s are 2 11s are. Is it possible to simplify this further? No, this is not possible. So that is equal to minus. Now simplification. 180 into 2 into 7. 180 into 2 into 7. Use calculator and get your answer. 180 into 7 and is equal to 2520. 2520 divided by 11. So what is this? This is degree. Correct no? So now minus 4 radian is equal to how many degrees? It is minus 2520 divided by 11 degree. And already you know here in degree there should not be fraction. How to remove this fraction? Divide it. 2520 divided by 11. So now on division, so it is 2520. Is it right? 2520 divided by 11. So 11 how much here? 11 2s are 22. 3 remainder 32. 11 2s are again 22, right? So it is 10. Next number is 0. 11 how much here? 11 9s are 99. 1 remainder. So this can be how we can write this one. This can be, so minus outside. So it is 229 degree plus what is a fraction? 1 divided by 11 degree. 1 divided by 11 degree. So this minus is outside. So 229 degree plus 1 divided by 11 degree. So now this in degree, this is the integer part. This is what decimal point. So that means you should convert this decimal point to what? Minute. Correct? No? So 1 divided by 11 degree should be converted to minute. So how to convert that minute? We know that. So what we know? We know that. So it is 1 degree is equal to how many seconds or how many minutes? It is 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 1 by 11 degree is equal to 1 by 11 degree is equal to how many minutes? So that is equal to, how to get equal to 1 divided by 11. 1 by 11 degree into 60 minutes whole divided by 1 degree. So degree unit and degree unit cancels. So that is equal to what here? 60 into 1 is 60 divided by 11 minute. So therefore 1 divided by 11 degree is equal to 60 divided by 11 minutes. So this can be written as, that is equal to minus outside, it is 229 degree plus 229 degrees. So now 1 divided by 11 degree is equal to how many minutes? It is 60 divided by 11 minutes. 60 divided by 11 minutes. Again in minute there is a fraction. There is fraction. So first remove that fraction. How to remove that fraction? It is again divide. So 60 divided by 11. So 11 how much here? 11 5s are 55 and remainder is 5. So we can write this as, it is equal to minus 229 degree plus 5 minute plus how many minutes? 5 divided by 11 minutes. 5 divided by 11 minutes. So 229. So 229. 5 minutes, 5 divided by 11 minutes. Again this minute should be converted to, right? This minute should be, the fraction of minute should be converted to second. So how to convert that to second? It is 5 divided by, you know that 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? It is 60 seconds. So 5 divided by 11 minutes is equal to how many seconds? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 5 divided by 11 minutes is equal to how many seconds? Which is equal to 5 divided by 11 minutes into 60 seconds divided by 1 minute. So this minute and this minute units get cancelled. What is left unit? It is second. So now 5 into 60 is 300 divided by 11, what it is? Seconds. So now 5 divided by 11 minute is converted to 300 divided by 11 seconds. So now that is equal to, that only I told you to keep minus outside, otherwise we will get confused with this plus and minus. So now minus 229 degree plus 5 minutes. Now this 5 by 11 minute is converted to second, that is 300 divided by 11 seconds. Again in a second there should not be any fraction, correct? No? So first remove this fraction. How to remove that fraction? 300 divided by 11. How to remove that fraction? It is 300 divided by 11. So how it is? 11 2s are 22, 8 remainder, correct no? So 11 2s are 22, 8, it is 0. So how much here? 11 7s are 77, 77. So 300, 11 2s are 22, 11 3s are 33, right? So here 10 and 8, so it is 0. Now next 11 7s are 77, 77 3, correct no? It is 3. So if you want you can take 0 from this one outside. So again 2, 27.2, it is 22. Again it is repeating the decimal point. So we got 27.2, right? So it is minus 229 degree plus 5 minutes plus 300 divided by 11 is what it is equal to. Alright, 300 divided by 11 minutes seconds is equal to 27.2. So 27.2 is approximately equal to what? It is 28 seconds. It is approximate equal to 28 seconds. It is 28 seconds. So your answer is minus 229 degree. 5 minutes 27 by 2 means it is 27 units, 27. So it is approximation. So is this one. This is your answer, 229 degree 5 minutes 27 seconds. Now next question, 11 by 50 radian. Convert this to degree. So your formula is degree measure is equal to what it is, 180 divided by pi, 180 degree divided by pi into radian measure, correct no? This is your formula, radian measure. So this is formula. Now substitution, so degree measure is equal to 180 divided by pi into, what is the radian measure? 11 divided by 50. 11 divided by 50. So what is the next step? 180 divided by pi means it is what? 22 by 7 into 11 divided by 50. Correct no? 11 divided by 50. So this can be written as, it is 180 into 11 into this 22 by 7 goes to numerator means 7 divided by 22 into 50. So 11 ones are 11 twos are. So this is 0 and this is 0. We can cancel here. Next 2 ones are 2. How much here? 2 nines are. Right? So 9 into 7 is 63 divided by, it is equal to 5. What is the unit? Unit is now degree. Unit is degree. Is it right? So now 11 by 50 radian is equal to 63 divided by 5 degree. And again you know that already in a degree there should not be fraction. This fraction means you have to separate the integer part and decimal part from this one. How to convert that integer and decimal part? On dividing this one. So now 63 divided by 5. 63 divided by 5. 63 divided by 5. So 5 how much here? 5 ones are 5. Next 1 3 means 5 twos are 10. So what is the remainder? It is equal to 3. So how we can write this? 63 divided by 5. That can be written as, how to write? It is 12 degree, that is your integer part. And what is your decimal point? Decimal point is 3 divided by 5 degree. So this is 3 divided by 5 degree. So 12 degree plus 3 divided by 5 degree. So this means this is the integer part and this is your decimal part. Now this decimal part of degree should be converted to next unit. What is the next unit of degree? Next is minute. So how to convert that to minute? Already you know, it is 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So 3 by 5 degree is 3 divided by 5 degree is equal to how many minutes? How many minutes? So now that is equal to 3 divided by 5 into 60 minutes. This is degree whole divided by 1 degree. Correct no? Yes. Now this degree unit and this degree unit get cancelled. So which is equal to 3 how much here? 3. It is 80, 180 divided by 5 minutes. Correct no? So is it possible to divide here? Yes. How much it is? 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are so 36 minute. Do you have fraction here? So here we can simplify, right? So it is dividing. So on dividing we got 36 minutes. Is there any divide here? Is there fraction? No. Is it necessary to convert to next unit? No. So this can be written as that is equal to 12 degree plus 3 by 5 degree means how many minutes it is? 36 minutes. Now is it possible, is it necessary to convert this 36 minutes to second? No need. Why it is not? Because in this minute there is no fraction. Suppose here if you get answer is 35 divided by 2 minutes. Suppose assume that after simplifying this part, if your answer is this one, is it possible to get cancel here? No, right? So that means here is the integer part and decimal point. So you should remove this integer and decimal part. That means next is dividing. So how to divide? 35 divided by 2. So how much here? 2 ones are 2. 1 5 2 7s are 14, 1 remainder. So 35 divided by 2 can be written as 17 minutes plus 1 divided by 2 minutes. So 17 minute is integer part. This 1 by 2 is fraction of minute. Again this fraction of minute to be converted to second. How to convert to second? You know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So half minute is equal to how many seconds? So but here it is not necessary. Why it is not necessary here? We did not get that 36 divided by. There is no fraction. So we got whole number. So what is your final answer? Final answer is 12 degree 36 minutes. So that means 11 divided by 50 radian is equal to 12 degree 36 minutes. Important this for 2 marks. Now next question. This type is important for 2 marks. 2 marks, very important question. Find the radius of a circle. Find the radius of circle means what is your question mark? Radius of circle. What is the notation for radius? Radius is equal to r, in which a central angle is 60 degree. The central angle is 60 degree means what is the 60 degree? Theta is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Intercept an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. So what is this? This is arc of length. Arc of length is 37.4 centimeter. So now first we will see what are given. What is given? Given the central angle. Given central angle. What is the notation for angle? Angle theta is equal to how much here? 60 degree. Angle theta is 60 degree. Now next what is given? Length of arc. Arc of length arc of length is how much? It is equal to, what is the notation? L is equal to 37.4 centimeter. 37.4 centimeter, and pi is 22/7. And question is, find the radius of a circle. Find the radius of circle means the radius of circle is radius of a circle, that is your question mark. R is equal to question mark. So what are the two notations? Theta, L, R. You know the relation among these, right? What is the relation? We know that yes, or using. So what is the relation? Relation is L is equal to R theta. L is equal to R theta. Once see this formula, what is given in notes. So L is equal to R theta. What is here? L is length of R. R is what? Radius of circle. Theta is what? There I gave. Theta is angle in radian. Angle in radian. So what is your theta must be? Theta must be in radian units. But here given is theta is equal to 60 degree. Is this direct substitution theta is equal to 60 degree? No. So according to this formula, theta is angle in radian. So that means this degree should be converted to radian. So therefore radian is equal to, I need this degree to the radian. So radian measure is equal to, say so it is pi divided by 180 into 60. 60 means it is degree measure. So how much it is? 0 and 0 cancel. 6 ones are 6 threes are. So that is equal to what? Pi divided by 3 radian. Pi divided by 3 radian. So concentrate on this, important. Many students they do the mistake by substituting theta as 60 degree directly without converting to radian. And already I told radian keep pi as it is, okay? Keep pi as it is. So 60 degrees equal to how many radians? Pi divided by 3 radian. Now substitute. So what is L? L is 37.4 is equal to R is question mark. Theta is what? Pi divided by 3. Pi divided by 3. So now this is simplification. 37.4 into 3 is equal to R, what is your R into pi, correct? No, I need R is equal to, it is 37.4 into 3 divided by pi. The simplification already you know, right? So that is R is equal to 37.4 into 3 divided by, use the pi as what? 22/7. So use pi 22/7 itself. Don't substitute 3.14. Okay, it is given pi should be written as 22/7, should use that. So R is equal to, these steps are not necessary, directly you can write answer by using calculator. So R is equal to what? 37.4 into 3. This denominator 22/7 changes as 7 divided by 22. 7 divided by 22. This simplification, do the simplification by using calculator and get your R is equal to dash centimeter, right? Why it is centimeter? Length of arc is given in centimeter, so radius also in centimeter. So simplify that by using calculator and get R is equal to. This type is important for 2 marks question and one definite question from this one. Conversion of radian to degree is important, degree to radian is important, 1 or 2 marks question. And next this type of sentence type by using L is equal to R theta formula problems are important for 2 marks.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.